Hi, I'm Stephanie, and this is Taryn, and this is our midterm presentation on Ultra Physical Therapy.
So Ultra is a private outpatient clinic located in Lexington, Illinois, which is about 20 minutes away from ISU. The owner is Josh Smith. He is a full-time physical therapist. The clientele that we see can range from elementary school kids to retired senior citizens. So it's a really good opportunity to work with all populations. There is another PT. Her name is Ariana. She is part-time, and then there's one PTA named Kim that is also there as well.
So as soon as you walk into Ultra, there is a lobby area with the front desk, and then as you head on further back, there are 2 exam tables and then 1 lower therapy bed, and there's a squat rack in the way back, along with a total gym machine used for both lower body and upper body. There's also a cable machine, normally used for rows, and then some other equipment includes there's a slant board used for calf stretching. There's some basketballs. There's some tennis balls. We have some foam rollers. These boxes that are all different heights used for mostly step-ups. There are some cones as well as ankle weights, dumbbells, kettlebells, TheraBands. There's a Swiss ball, and there's also a stationary bike that's located right here that you probably can't really see in the picture. And then there's also a blood flow restriction kit.
And so we all actually got the chance to observe at Lexington Junior High and High School. Lexington has about 2,100 people, and so the school is just one public school, and it has about 145 students. From the ages that we observed would be from 6th grade to 12th grade, and we were with the athletic trainer Elizabeth. And then some things that we did there, we had the opportunity to observe basketball and volleyball games. We observed injuries and monitored student safety. And we also got a chance to go over reports and paperwork needed for athletes' injuries. And so we were able to go over concussion protocols, emergency action plans, and other paperwork pertaining to that. And then we also had the opportunity to practice taping and splinting. We were able to tape ankles and then wrists. And then we also had the opportunity to use SAM splints to, to splint the forearm and then the thumb as well.
So our current roles and responsibilities as senior interns are to greet and interact with the clients when they walk in for their sessions, and also assist clients with their exercises. The most common exercises that we do with the patients would be long arc quads, short arc quads, sit to stands, and knee flexions. And our job is also to demonstrate and implement these exercises to the clients. We also document their exercises on their treatment logs, so each patient gets their own treatment logs, and we have to document the date and what exercises they did for their session that day, as well as their sets and reps. We also record measurement data in Prompt, which is their program that they use for the patients, and their records and data. We also have to upload the exercises for the clients' home exercise programs, and we create SMART goals for the clients. We create short-term and long-term goals for them, and I feel like we do a good job with these because we've had lots of practice in class with the SMART goals. And also, to be more interactive with the clients, we draw and write on the whiteboard. So sometimes we have polls, sometimes we have questions for them, and then sometimes we have games for them to interact with. And we also create social media content. So every Wednesday we have a video for Wellness Wednesdays that we upload to their Facebook and their Instagram. And then we are also responsible for housekeeping, this being folding towels, folding pillowcases, and cleaning equipment and exercise tools.
And so as the internship progresses, some of our future responsibilities would be to review previous client sessions before they come in. So just refreshing our memory about why the client's there and what happened last time. We also have we will be able to develop subjective questions for clients along with documenting their answers within Prompt. So subjective questions are just, questions about what we would ask the client. Some questions may be, how was your last visit? Was there any pain between the last time we saw you? do any exercises bother you or help you? So I guess questions along that aspects. And then we also will be able to update current SMART goals for clients. Also with that, just revisiting their goals from the beginning of their session at therapy to now. We will be able to engage in more assessments, especially in the initial evaluations, being more active in that. Also working on client progression, just progressing the client's exercises as they progress, and independently guide clients through their sessions, so be able to be more involved in their exercises and just really being taking the lead on guiding their clients through their sessions.
As for our wow moments during our internship, one of my favorite things about this internship is being able to engage with the patients. And one patient that we have is a 12-year-old boy who has muscular dystrophy. And just being able to work with him and interact with him and his mom during his sessions is such a great thing to experience. And we have a lot of fun with him. We create obstacle courses for him, and normally we have teams with the other students and with Josh, the physical therapist. So we have a lot of fun with him doing that. And we kind of have competitions with him just to make therapy a little bit more bearable for him, because sometimes it does give him pain. So we like to distract him with playing games while he is undergoing stretching or massaging. And it's just really great being able to see him and to work with him. And he's been going to therapy for a while, and he's interacted with past students before, and he always gives students grades. So me and Taryn both received an A+ from him, which is really amazing because he does not give out those grades lightly. So I would say interacting with him has been a highlight of my intern experience.
Yeah, and I guess another experience that I have, so we curate, we're in charge of the social media, and so every Wednesday we curate posts. We curated a series called This Not That, which is basically just like a how-to guide for the clients. And it's really cool because each Wednesday we get to post these videos, and then clients will come in. I remember there's some clients, even before the initial evaluations, like Josh would go to introduce us. I'm like, oh, we already know you guys. Like, you're on Facebook. So I think that's pretty cool. And even when we did our site visits for another sites, and people will recognize us. So I think that's a really pretty cool opportunity just to, like, I guess, see our impact of our videos and how it's reaching the Lexington community and the Bloomington Normal community as well. So I think that's a really fun part of our internship as well.
And that is it. Thank you.